So it's happening tomorrow, guys. Okay, we have a live free webinar that you can attend and ask any question you want about our community, about the 4 digital products that we promote that pays us 100% profit. Okay, so countdown to holiday cash. This is the webinar that can change your life if you allow it to. Okay, we're going to teach you how to free up your time, how to create free passive income streams coming into your life. Now, how does that sound? How would you love to learn the skills to end this year on a high, start next year on an even higher level of energy, so you can change your fortune, you can change your life, you can change everything for your family, you can stop having to work overtime to earn extra money, you can stop chasing new clients if you're running a small business. This is amazing. It's a breath of fresh air. So tomorrow it's happening, live webinar. If you want the registration link, drop webinar in comments and I'll send you the details.